Okay, today, boys and girls, in our PWS lesson, we talked about how you can add the suffix ER and EST to a word to compare. For example, if we have one thing, we might say it is fresh. If we're comparing two things, we would say maybe the apple is fresher than the orange. But if we're comparing three or more things, we add the ending EST to say the watermelon was the freshest of all. So today you're going to read the word on the left. For example, this first word says pale. Then you're going to retype the word in the next box and add the ER ending in this first column to make the word say paler. Since it already ends in an E, we just need to add the R with it as well. And then you're going to add the ending EST in the last column to say palest. So now we have pale, paler, and palest. So you'll continue with the remaining 9 words, adding ER and EST to the end of them. Thank you.